Milli Vanilli has made it big in America.
Great music, it rises.
Their visuals were on point. They had it all.
Girl, you know it's true.
1 minute Milli Vanilli were there.
Milli Vanilli.
Milli Vanilli.
The next minute they weren't.
We thought, okay, it's one song. You do that and you're out. We're not saying no to this powerful producer.
Money, money, money makes the world go round.
This is run like a tight military operation. It's on a need-to-know basis.
I ain't keeping my mouth shut for nobody.
They don't want us to sing. What? This is weird. We don't want to lip sync.
Someone had to have known this was going on. We were seduced, we were abused, and we're happy that it's over.
There's no real crime here, but it costs a life.
You get something, but you make a pact with the devil.
There is not another story like this in music history.